Hey buddies, what is up? It's me Joshi and welcome back to the channel. So today starts the birthday festivities, activities, possibilities in this body team. Okay, so today I'm so excited because Pia is taking me out on a birthday date, advanced birthday date. It's March 1 today. So she's taking me out on a matcha date, which we love doing almost every freaking time. And speaking of birthdays, I got something from Carousel. Wait, let me show y'all. Okay, I've been waiting for this to arrive. I ordered this from Carousel and taga Mindanao pa yung nagbebenta. So, this is my mini birthday gift to myself. Right. The only tea that I want in life. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready na kasi ayoko malate. So, I'll be back. Everybody, so I'm ready now. Ano yung outfit ko? Super simple lang. Featuring my new bag. Yeah, I'm waiting for Pia na lang kasi we're gonna have a matcha day today. So, I'm just waiting for her to finish up. So, anyway, update you guys later. Hey guys, I'm with Pia na. We're gonna go to this matcha place na kunyari hindi ko alam pero siya rin sumira ng surprise. Mag-pretend na hindi ko. Nireveal niya, sabi ko, mag-acting ka pati. Ano ba yan? Sabi, Thomas, maroto lang to. Maganda yung pupuntahan namin. Then just na sa akin ni Jay ito before, pero kami ni Pia unang pupunta dun. So, we have reservation seats. Period. Ano oras pa lang ba? No, parang 2:40. Ang hirap magpasa ng analog watch kasi nakabobo. First birthday festivities starts now. Ready, get set, go. We're here? Baka somewhere here. Thank you. Need to look for it. Okay, we found it. Ito, yun eh. May flower. Yan, yeah. Hidden coffee. Na para mamamatay pala. Hindi sa hidden coffee na to. I guess it says Bar Flora. And wow, cute. Si Pia parang di pa sure. Thank you. Cute place. Here? Cute. Wala masyadong tao dyan. Or ito. Apat na bigay. Kanyari hindi ko alam. Kanyari hindi surprised. No way! Found the Pia. Ang cute ng menu. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang cute yung mga graphics and all. Cute! Parang gusto ko i-uwi yung menu. I die!
So we have a bunch of different ones. We have 4 today. So this one is a light oolong, very fruity, floral. You guys can give it a smell. Let's go ahead.
Smell it. Oh.
Fresh. This one is my favorite for drinking every roasty, toasty, very light.
It's lighter.
This one is our black tea. So that one works well as a palate cleanser. It's more dark, more roasty version.
This one's your favorite, right? And which one is your favorite again?
My favorite is this one,
This one.
again, matcha. Very easy to drink every day.
Wait. Just twist it out?
Yeah,
Or?
just
Okay.
pull it out.
Mas familiar ako dun.
It's more beginner.
Yeah.
It is. We've chosen these ones to be beginner friendly naman talaga.
Okay.
Because, so which one would you like?
Ako yung Gen.
Alright.
Thank you. Binigyan kami ng matcha popcorn, y'all. It's the first time. Why not?
One way to find out.
Hi, babe. Come. Matcha popcorn, y'all.
This nori.
Parang nori, may ano siya, umami. Yes. Ang galing. Ang galing. That's matcha popcorn. May
Fustago. Small cups, but bigger flavor. And we'll separate the tea from the teapot. Wow. Into what's called a fairness cup right here. So that the tea doesn't oversteam.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Thank
If you
you.
want refills, we can refill the hot water.
Thank you. Serve the tea. Serve that tea, sister. Serve the tea. Ah, she's stealing tea. Ano daw siya? Medyo lakas ng tama. So cute.
Savory bites here at the bottom. We've got some cups, panipuri cups. So you can put the pomelo
Panipuri!
salad
Oh my
in.
God.
Just to give you a heads up, the pomelo salad is a little bit spicy. And then over here we have some pampano curry croquettes.
Pampano.
And then these are the mushroom uni tarts.
Wow.
And of course your tea cakes.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry, can we get a refill? Thank you. Thank you. Kain po tayo. Ano silang pan? Sarap. Sarap. May konting cake siya. Bet mo. No. Bet mo. Ang galing. Wala rin masyadong tao ngayon. Kasi nga, it's not everyone's cup of tea. Let's try other things. Cheers. Parang siyang maliit na pizza.
Parang pop pastry na mga
I'm gonna try this. Oo naman siya. I don't know what this is. Nakain niya na eh.
Anong meron po?
Parang kalabasa. Yung gata.
O gata.
Pero yung kalabasa na nilagay ng gata. Yung ulam na yon, ginataang kalabasa. Pero yun lasa nun. Eh, kasi fusion nga eh. Kaya gusto ko siya lagyan. Amats ko to guys.
Parang masarap.
Reminds me of Thailand. Sabi ha. Tatawanan tayo itong mga katabi natin. Kasi natingin ng tingin sa akin. Yan ang fusion. Put this on top of this.
Yung malasa.
Girl, I'm a culinary chef.
I think I need my palette cleanse.
There's
Sunflower seeds lang ata. Mamon.
okay, lemon pink.
Floral siya. It's floral.
It's infused with Bingo Biloba egg. Yung mga top notes niya ay bergamot,
Patchouli.
patchouli, yun yung pag, ano na, mag-iedad na yung bata. Oo. Magpapatchouli. Yun na rin
Very
maging,
floral.
yun na rin maging social ang buta. Bata. Magpapatchouli.
Thank you so much.
Ay!
Prisa.
Ang gulit ako, nag-outro pa lang ako. Hey, apo ka na dyan, kuya. Apa. Medyo nagpakita kasi yung driver namin. Bigla-bigla. Nagpa-facial yung driver namin.
Hindi lang nagpa-facial, nagpa-botox.
Totoo ba? Ano yun?
Baby botox lang, wala.
Saan? Okay. Ikaw ba yung naamoy ko? Ang ganda ng amoy ng pabango mo. Ano yun?
Ang ano. It's powder.
Otot ko siya.
Ha?
Otot ko.
Tangay ba yung otot mo? Tinamoy ko na. Hey buddies! Wait, ang gulo ko kasi today's my birthday. Oh my god, my hair! I just got out of the shower and nakakaloka. I just got a call na may delivery ako today, which I don't remember. Ano ba yan ang ingay nyo? Which I don't remember getting a delivery today. And guess what? This is from the flower store. This side to slide up. Side up. Side up. Ah, okay. Pag ganon. Nakakainis! Okay. Hey baddies! I'm gonna go out today. I'm gonna take myself out on a date. Cause why not? Wala lang. Vibes ko lang. Gusto ko lang, alam mo yun, alone time. Here's the outfit. All brown lang tayo today. Period. Bubuk na ako. I will see you guys in a second, buddy. So, on the way na ako sa Tomas Morato to meet up with J.O. Sa may Samtay kami mag-meet up. Let's see kung makakuha kami ng table kasi usually Blockbuster palagi yung restaurant na yun. So, see you guys there. Thank you po. Where's J.O.? Walang pila. Daming pwede. Yee! Kinain natin doon. Alam mo, kasi na part na to. Hindi, nakakaya ito eh. Nakalahat ko eh. Alam mo, yung point. Ito yung favorite ko. Actually, ito. This one's kind of closest. Crab omelet. Ito ko na? Ooh. May pan. Kain ka nga ate, wala kang footage na hindi ka kumakain eh. Puro ka kwento. Hubo ka nga nang may mga footage. Wala na tapo. Check it. Thank you po. Chika. Hindi. Interesting. So we're just walking around. We're gonna take some pictures today. But anyway, we're gonna look for a spot and mawawala na yung araw dito. So, yeah. Uy, ate. 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 Ba't ka tumatakbo, ate? Ate.
Looking back, we were happier than we
Cheers to 29. 29 and looking fine. Ate, birthday ko. Ate, birthday. Init, gago. Oh, banyo. First time mo? No. I didn't get to take it.
for a while. What invincible and through, and all the beautiful people left before all the fun in a taxi to East London with Benny.
Hey baddies! So today is my birthday celebration. Yes, I'm going to celebrate it with my friends, my closest friends. And also, wala lang, I'm so excited kasi 2 weeks ko na silang sinabihan in advance. And at first, hindi nila alam kung saan kakain kasi hindi ko pa sinasabi kung saan talaga kakain. So habang palapit na ng palapit yung date ng birthday celebration ko, dun ko na ni-reveal na, hey guys, I'm celebrating my birthday at Jollibee! Never ko pa kasi natatry mag-celebrate sa Jollibee. Usually, sa clubs, restaurant, the usual. So, no, para maiba lang. Gusto ko lang, alam mo yun. Wala na ako ibang iisipin ko, hindi. Yung Jollibee na lang mag-iisip ko na yung gagawin sa amin. Tapos sobrang sakto. Yung nahanap kong branch sa San Juan, puro nasa LGBT ang mga staff nila. So, sabi ko, can I make a small request? Pwede bang baklain nyo na lang kami? So, I'm so excited. So, I will see you guys there. I'm gonna meet Pia sa may Starbucks lang. I'm with Pia now. Starbucks na kami, guys. We're just waiting for our Grab. Sa ano pala ito eh? Si Glinda tsaka sa Elpa ba? Guys, so nasa Grab na kami. We're now on our way sa Jollibee. I have to be with the Jollibee. Nandun na yung iba. I don't know. Si Danica nandun na eh. 4 PM pa lang. Sabi ko, bakit ka nauna, Danica? Ano, paraan ko ba si Jollibee? Ito yung susuotin mo na yung mask ko.
Sa Jollibee na ka.
Sa Jollibee! Happy birthday to me! Naiihi ako, guys. CR mo na ako. Hello! Akala ko yung si Jollibee. Ba't di kayo makapaghintay? May pagkain. Ang naiiyak ko. Coach si Pia. Pia si Coach. Yun ka lang? Oo. Naiihi pa ako. Ayun na sila. Ayun! Hello. Hi guys. Kasing ko, di ba? On time ng birthday ko naman, di ba? First time mo.
Okay, before we start our birthday celebration, ako rin po ay magpapakilala sa inyo. Ako naman si Ate Jasmine, ang inyong magandang party host na may kasamang hiyawa. May trabaho place where we meet friends to celebrate. Let us all welcome, let us all welcome Joshi!
Happy birthday, Josh. So let's start our prayer.
Ngayon, 29 years old na si Sir Joshi, di ba? Well,
Ang nilook forward ko, wiser,
bongga.
Stronger!
Wow! Alam niyo ba ang daming followers ni Sir Joshi? Oh, yeah! Sinang siya for everyone!
hindi ako nakita.
Pag hindi ng pangalan, sino dyan?
Pinili ko siyang hindi tignan. Naka-glasses.
Naka-glasses? Nasa harapan pa?
Meron, oo. May ilong.
Ang daming glasses.
May ilong, may mata, may dalawang paa.
May dalawang pa.
Hindi ko siya nakita pumalakpak.
Hindi ko siya nakita. Pero kanina kasi, may nakita rin kasi ako na hindi pumalakpak. Yung babae, yung gano'n.
Sobrang pabibo!
Sobrang pabibo. Alam ko na yan.
May kausap siya sa cellphone kaya wala siya
Alam ko na talaga yan. Ayan, mga dance choreographer. Nakakatawa na. Paano ba humawak ng hamburger? Letter C. Lastly, sabay-sabay po natin iwawagay ang Jollibee talaga to.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 na.
Kompleto na yung mga players natin. Sino ba magpapakilala mga girls? 3 and go!
Kami ang Group 1!
One, two, three, and go!
We are... Sabay!
One more time. Dapat yung... Hindi naman na lang lahat. Hindi naman kasi individual to. Dapat sabay-sabay kayong lahat.
We are Group 2!
Ano sunod? So, Josie, ano ba?
Pero pa ka.
Pero may napansin kasi ako. Wala sila kasing kalda.
Walang kalda?
Si Josie.
Parang gusto ko ng kalda.
Oo, ulitin natin ha. Ulit natin.
Ito daw.
Bakit ang sige, bagay, oh. We are the team, pangalan ng grupo. Isang malakas na, get out.
We are Group 2! Get out!
Then si first player naman iipit ang lobo sa pagitan ng dalawang tuhod. Pag-ibigay. Ano naman, manatalo ka talaga dyan. Ako muna kayo dito. Daniel, okay, ready ka na ba magpakita gila? Hindi. Kapag sinabi ko pong group yourself into 3, Ocho, and turn around. 7. Thank you for joining. Put yourself into 9. Nine, sabi ko 9. Nagsasabayan na nagsusunod. 2, 4. Kasi na gusto mo makasama sa kanilang tagda, sir? Ako na!
Silang lahat po.
Silang lahat? Grabe, kakunti mo lang tatlo. Okay na tatlo. Ikaw, sir, sino gusto mo makasama sa kanilang tatlo?
Si Josh.
Ikaw, ma'am.
Si Lloyd na.
Ikaw po. Sabi ka macho, Mamshi, makinig ko muna kayo sa akin. And shake your body. Shake your body. Down into 3. Josh. Dahil walang magpapakubayan.
Yehey! Silipin mo lang. Silipin mo. Thank you po. Kain po tayo.
Best friend, Johnny. One, two, three, and smile. A group picture to Josh. Ayan, turo po natin, syempre. Okay, and you ready? Face to the camera, and 1, 2, 3, and smile. Okay, and ready? And 1, 2, 3, and... Jolly birthday to Joshi and 1, 2, 3, and Jolly birthday, Joshi!
Josh. Ngayon na malaki ka na.
Well,
Happy birthday, Josh. Long life, long legs, and long money. Happy birthday, Joshie! I'm passing this mic to Gabby. I love you.
Happy birthday, Te. Happy birthday. I really wish you the best in life. And we're always here for you. Kahit wala ka here. Kahit you're there. Anyway, passing to Alan, Segi.
I'm listening to. Well, our baby is now a lady. Sobrang tagal na kilala ka namin. Tama na? Happy birthday!
You with the
Silent ka muna.
Ako ha!
Hi, everyone! My name is Kendra Crawford. I am half Filipina. Half
Filipina! To become what you are. And to be capable if you want to become big in the secret of a happy life. Happy birthday, Te! Thank you so much. You know, growing up in a... yeah, thank you so much. Happy birthday and thank you for inviting. Hey! I wish you good health.
Nothing but a good health. So do you want to make this prom a little more casual?
Hooray! Para sa ating next, sino next? Ako na lang. Ayan, jolly birthday sa Joshi.
Hindi, ayoko na may pagdamot. So, more projects to my friends. Money, good health to everyone, at lalo na kay Jollibee! To everyone, lalo na yung may work, like, nag-make kayo ng time.
Once again, I'm your party host, Happy Jasmine. Happy Sheena, Happy Sally. Sabi ko na mag-iingat ko kayo sa inyong pag-uwi. Magkita.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy Happy birthday!
Medyo hawag ko si Wani. Happy birthday, Josh! Love you!
Happy birthday, Josh. Thank you for inviting. Ang tagal ng laki ng ulo ko. What the fuck?
Happy birthday, Josh!
Happy birthday, Josh!
Happy birthday!
Sorry, I'm driving.
Happy birthday, Tim!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to me!
Birthday!
Happy birthday, Josh!
Sino si Josh?
Happy birthday, Josh!
Happy birthday, Josh!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Josh!